Hello and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Randacia, or Randy for short, and in this video we are going to be pre-planning my stickers in my work planner for the month of September. I like to do this ahead of time so that when September comes, or the month comes, then all I have to do is just go ahead and lay down the stickers, and I can just take my time picking out what I want and really putting together a theme that I think is cute. So right here, I am gathering all of the holiday stickers that I have for the month of September. I try to pull only what I need because I find that with these holiday stickers, if you don't end up using them, then they just live on the sticker sheet, which is okay with me because the sticker sheets that I'm using is actually for like stickers. So the stickers won't lose stickiness and I can keep them on there as long as I want to. So the holidays that I gathered was Patriot Day and Labor Day. I do get Labor Day off, so that's why I put that one on the second week because it falls in the second week of September. So now what I'm doing is working on my monthly spread for my work planner. And I pulled this gorgeous full box. It's like a burgundy color. You can't really see it, but it says it's fall, y'all, in copper foil. And now I'm just pulling a whole bunch of like fall related stickers to go on that holiday sheet that you see right here. And the sticker book that I'm using right now is the fall sticker book. And I absolutely love this sticker book. It is absolutely gorgeous. If you guys are new to my channel, I am a seasonal planner, and anything having to do with fall is just gorgeous because that is my favorite season. And also this planners that I'm using for work is a Frankenplanner Homebody and BizBabe Frankenplanner together. I use the monthly part of the BizBabe and then I use the weeklies from Homebody for my work planner. And here I am starting to pull some stickers that Hello September, that is going to be for my my catch-all personal planner. So what the process that I like to do to pre-plan my stickers is I like to find a sticker that inspires me, like basically my inspiration sticker or washi, since I'm trying to use more of that. And I'll find stickers that matches. So in this spread right here, the pumpkin, the full box sticker with the pumpkin on the like turquoise background, whatever color that is, was my inspiration sticker. So now I'm trying to find stickers that go with that sticker for my spread. And I'll do that for each one of the spreads in my work planner for the month of September. So right here, you see me putting back the pumpkin and the fall leaves because I didn't think it went with this vibe that I had for the monthly calendar for my work planner. So now I'm going to pull out Squad Goals. I love this book. This is the first Squad Goals, and it is a seasonal sticker book. So this sticker book is just everything. You can just pull a spread together effortlessly with this sticker book. So that's what I'm working on now is the monthly calendar for my personal planner. And I like the little, the squad girls with the umbrella, but once I found these girls that were throwing leaves, I was like, yes, because this is for September, and I know September does not mark, like September 1st does not mark the first day of fall, like a lot of people believe. I do know that it falls later in the month of September, but I love fall. And because I spend all of October on basically Halloween stickers and things like that, it kind of shortens the season for me. I mean, and then I spend November celebrating Thanksgiving. So it's really only the month of September that I actually really celebrate fall. So I just go ham and I start on the 1st instead of when it officially starts. So, and the washi tape that I'm using is Simply Gilded. And I'm going to go ahead and grab a couple more stickers and be done with the monthly calendar part for my personal planner. And that is basically how it looks right there. And I will show you it again at the end of the video. So I'm going to put everything away and then I'm going to start working on my weekly spreads for my work planner. So now I am pulling squad goals and I'm starting to plan the weekly section. And you see how I'm just pulling the stickers, like it just comes together so quickly because the sticker book is gorgeous. I usually don't do doubles, but if I was to do doubles of a sticker book or like a backup, then this sticker book would probably be one of the ones that I do because it is gorgeous. So I'm trying to find some more headers, but I think I'm done with that book. So I'm going to go ahead and add this simple bow line. You can't see it, but it's a black background with a bronze, or not a bronze, a rose gold bow line from Simply Gilded. And yeah, so whenever you see that washi tape, that's what it is. It's not just black washi tape. And I like it because on this washi tape, Simply Gilded's rose gold sometimes looks copper. So that's okay with me because copper is actually one of my favorite foils, and I actually prefer it more than rose gold. So this is an OG sticker book, and this sticker book I really actually love, but for the fall section, I love that for Halloween and Thanksgiving, which is why I didn't pull anything from that one. So what I'm doing now is flipping through the wellness sticker book, and I'm trying to see what washi will go with this sticker book because I am on a mission to use more of my washi. And yeah, so I decided on that sticker right there because it goes with the washi that I already had down for the Labor Day week. And so I'm going to start just pulling stickers to go with the themes and like the colors. So again, since I have Labor Day off, I am looking for a date off sticker, and that what I just showed was my sticker book, my sticker planner. And that's where I keep a lot of my most used stickers on like a sticker sheet that I'm using right here. So now I'm just flipping through, I'm looking for a coffee sticker, and that's why I'm going to pull that one. And then I'm going to pull another coffee sticker from the coffee stickers that I gathered in my sticker planner. And it's just so convenient because I pulled stickers from, several different sticker books. So that way I don't have to flip through them for, stickers that I commonly use. And right now I'm looking to see how many of those little watercolor header things that I have left because I didn't want to start digging into this sticker book if I had some left over from my DIY sticker book. So that's why I flipped through that one. But ultimately this little light blue, like watercolor header one was super cute. And another thing that I like to do is I like to pull like all of the little stickers, like the flowers and the stars and stuff like that. I like to pull as many as I can from a sticker book to use in the spread at once, so that I can use them up. If I can't use them up, like it's too many of them, like on this page, I didn't want to pull up all of those flowers because it was going to be too many for my spread. I will just leave enough for another spread. So if there's only like one or two, I'll just go that extra mile and pull those one or two and use them all up. But that wasn't the case in this video. So what you saw me do with that box is I basically took the box to measure out would that quote fit on the box, and it did, which is why I pulled it. And then the washi tape that I pulled was another simple bow line with rose gold foil on a white background. So the next thing that I'm going to pull is bookish. So I'm trying to stick to more bold colors. And since this is the first week of September that I'm pulling for right here, I kind of wanted to have like bold, bright colors to kind of like, stick with the summer theme, but also kind of like transition me into the September fall vibes. So I haven't used this sticker book yet, so that's why I pulled it. And the blues in this sticker book are they're so cute. Oh my gosh. When Happy Planner first showed this sticker book, I was just in love from the blues alone. So right here, I'm trying to do like this reading rainbow type of thing where I'm trying to have like the rainbow seem like it's coming out of the open book. and yeah, it just wasn't working. So I just put those to the side, and yeah, I'm just pulling as many stickers as I can without overwhelming my spread. And I've been doing this for a while, so I kind of know like what stickers I need for my work planner and how many I can pull. Usually I can fill up a sheet like this where, I still have some white space. I don't like to cover every single part of my spread, so I do like white space, which is why I know if I fill up this sheet pretty good, then I'm okay, but not like super heavy. And I was trying to use that honey washi again, but I don't know. Like on camera, it looks good, but in person, it wasn't really vibing with the rest of the stickers. So that's why I pulled this gold vertical stripe washi tape instead. So now the last sticker book that I'm going to use for my spreads is this Dream Seeker. And I love this sticker book, but I've yet to use it just because the colors in it were really like fall vibes for me. So I will be using this sticker book. All of the sticker books in this video, I'll be using more just because it's part of my jewel toned and neutral pastels kind of sticker book collection. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I will link it up in the cards for you to check out like how I organize my sticker books in collections so that I can use them. And originally, I was looking for the florals that went in the Dream Seeker because I do pull out sticker sheets so that I can pull them together. So that's what I was looking for in my DIY floral sticker book. And then I just came across that sheet that belonged to the squaggles, and I saw that tree, so that's why I pulled that one. I thought it would look good on my personal monthly calendar for the month of September. So these florals are huge. So I'm not going to pull too many of them, but they are gorgeous to layer. So I'm not going to do too much out of this sticker book, but again, these florals are gorgeous. This sticker book does have like little cow heads, as you can see right there, but I didn't want that for this spread. So I just kind of mainly stuck to the florals. And so I'm going to pull a couple more stickers for this spread, and I'm going to add that same black washi with the rose gold bow line from Simply Gilded, and that's going to be it for this spread. So the spreads I'm going to show you from the left to the right and from the top down is week 1, 2, 3, and then 4 of my work planner. And then I'm going to show you the monthly calendar for my personal planner is going to be on the left, and then the work is going to be on the right. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, give the video a thumbs up. And if you want to help me get to 1,000 subscribers, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.